Hello, welcome to Smokin' Smitty, episode number 2. Today is actually Super Bowl Sunday, go Chiefs. Today we're going to smoke an upside down pineapple cake using a cast iron skillet. So the first steps are going to be preparing the skillet with melted butter, laying brown sugar down, and then laying our pineapples and cherries. All right, so the first step is going to be melting a half stick of butter in the cast iron skillet. All right, so now that the butter has been melted, now we're going to evenly sprinkle the brown sugar . So now that the brown sugar has laid evenly, we're going to lay pineapple pieces around. All right, so now we're going to prepare the cake batter. The cake batter is going to consist of 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of we're going baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Lay a cherry between each one. We'll combine all these dry ingredients and then we'll move over to the wet ingredients. The next step is preparing the cake batter. Today we'll just do cake batter consists of dry ingredients and wet ingredients. We'll start with the dry, which is going to be 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So now we'll move over to prepare the batter. So 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, we will add the wet ingredients, which will be 1 cup of buttermilk, a half stick of melted butter, and then we'll have 2 eggs. And now we'll whisk. All right, so now the final step. Before placing the skillet and the upside down pineapple cake on the smoker is pouring the batter onto the pineapples. Now, the skillet is ready to go on the smoker. So we'll place on the smoker, we'll cook at 350 degrees for about an hour. Great, so next we're going to put the cake on the smoker. Again, 350 degrees for about an hour. So we'll see you back here in about an hour. The upside down pineapple cake has been on the smoker for just about an hour. I'm going to test it with the toothpick, see how it's looking. Looks dry, so we're going to go ahead and take it off, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll flip it and put it on the platter. All right, so we've let it rest for about 5-10 minutes. Now we're going to literally make it an upside down pineapple cake. So let's flip this and see what happens. Bam, there you go. Get up there nice and close. That's our homemade smoked upside down pineapple cake. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed it, and let's go Chiefs.